DataAxle Genie's best-in-class business and consumer sales, marketing, and data solution platform just got better. We are excited to introduce custom fields for all customers. Custom fields offer the ability to segment your data and launch strategic acquisition and retention campaigns, including email, direct mail, and online display advertising. DataAxle Genie's custom fields add to Genie's ease of use and convenience, allowing you to seamlessly manage all of your listings with blended data in one easy-to-use platform. Genie's custom fields can be leveraged to increase productivity for inside sales when scheduling calls, or outside sales when mapping and planning your day. Genie's custom fields can be created in both the U.S. Business Database as well as the U.S. Consumer Database. This allows you to upload your customer file and provides the ability to search and filter utilizing the custom fields. Let's see how easy it works. You can access custom fields in the Menu tab of DataAxle Genie. Name your custom field, then hit Save. You can apply your custom field using the left-hand filters in Genie. To learn more about Genie's custom fields, contact your account representative today.